How to fix your mic is muted by your system settings error in Google Meet. Method 1. Configure microphone properties. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type mmmsys.cpl in Run and click OK. Select the Recording tab. Select your microphone and click Properties. Select the Levels tab. If the volume icon shows your microphone is muted, click the icon to unmute. If the microphone is not muted, move the volume slider to the right to increase the volume. Click OK in the Properties window to save the settings. Click OK in the Sound window to close it. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Reset volume settings in Volume Mixer. Right-click Start and click Settings. Select the System panel and select Sound. Scroll down and select Volume Mixer. Click Reset. Method 3. Unmute Google Meet. Open Google Meet and join or start a meeting. Check the microphone status icon at the bottom of the screen. If it's red with a slash, it's muted. Click on the microphone icon to unmute it. You may also check the microphone status and unmute it in the Google Meet preview window before joining a meeting. Method 4. Allow microphone access in App Permissions. Right-click Start and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Select Microphone in the App Permissions section. Toggle on the microphone access slider. Scroll down and toggle on the Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone slider. Method 5. Update microphone drivers. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Audio, Video, and Game Controllers list. Right-click your microphone or headset and click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Alternatively, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Browse and select a driver downloaded from the device vendor's website. Alternatively, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose a driver from the drivers list and click Next. Click Close. Method 6. Allow the microphone on your browser. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu button and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Select Site Settings. Scroll to the Permissions section and select Microphone. Ensure that the Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone option is enabled. If Google Meet is on the list of sites prevented from using your microphone, click the trash can icon to remove it from the list. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.